Hunam. We finally come to the fifth sign of the zodiac wheel, which is the sign of Leo. And the phase of the sun, which represents the self, the center, the heart. And naturally there is the ordinary level of the consciousness of the fifth sign, or the fifth phase, or the fifth stage in the zodiac circle or wheel of life and death. The wheel of life, or the creative cycle, whatever one wants to call it. And this phase of the self refers to, firstly, ordinary consciousness, the sense of being, a self, but an unconscious sense of being self, and therefore the concern about who oneself is or what oneself is, which is a strong concern amongst all the Leo types, whether they are Sun in Leo, Moon in Leo, or Leo rising, or those who have a preponderance of planets in the Leo energy. There is a strong concern for self, not an absolute certainty of really what one is or who one really is, but that concern is a concern based upon the search for self. Rather than the realization of the self. The question who I am for the Leo, and at this time of the year, the Leo time, is relative to who I am as ego for the ordinary person. And less than that is who I am as a slave controlled by environmental and worldly influences. And the concept worldly includes the social impact that relations have upon the individual consciousness. And for every individual, the Leo phase, although universally meaning something relative to your state of consciousness, has some relevance in your cycle, in your astrologic pattern. That is to say, relative to your time. Wherever the sign of Leo falls in your time chart, that is where the concern relative to who I amness is, will be experienced. For instance, in my case, with Leo on the 11th house of group consciousness, who or what I am now as a group entity has come into being more officially, more concretely. It is manifest in an actual reality. Therefore, what I am is no longer a person as a self, but a group consciousness channel that has become the self. Therefore, in this case, the Aquarian group consciousness and the Leo consciousness have merged into one being. I am the group consciousness, or I am is the group consciousness. The self which appears is the sun self, as the physical sun represents a source of energy in time and space, solar source of energy, not necessarily a soul source of energy, a solar, nuclear, reacting source of energy, a transmitting center for the solar system, for this planet and for all of its inhabitants. So Leo, relative to the sun, represents the physical appearance of one's apparent individual or egoic or lower self consciousness. The next major dimension of that is relative to the center of the sun, or the heart of the sun itself, which is another correspondence of the sign of Leo. Which relates generally to the heart itself, or the love aspect, or the compassion aspect, which some relate to some of the spiritual function of the planet Neptune. The inspirer. So the ego self relates to the body. The heart self relates to love. Or Neptune, the planet of selflessness to some degree. Selfless service. And the sun, again, in the deepest sense, relates to not merely soul awareness, as that relates to Neptune's function as heart giver, and lover of mankind. but what is called the central spiritual sun, which has to do with the true self, itself, the higher consciousness, or God realization, or enlightened consciousness. And this corresponding to the higher mind functions of Uranus, the enlightener, the awakener, beyond love, through love, and the supreme intelligence itself, which is of God itself. All of these terms have the self in it, which all pertain to the phase of Leo, the fire sign of self, the active, masculine, stimulating energy that affects being self on any number of levels. Then, at the high stage, or at the end stage, the answer to who am I is simply it is I am. Or that I am that I am, which is the true self itself. So be sensitive to what the self is, beyond the physical level, beyond the egoic level, beyond merely the awareness level, the self-awareness level. Be sensitive to the true self, beyond even awareness itself. The no self of all. Make that the appropriate practice during this phase of the cycle. Hunam.